What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on this site, Highestpaygpt. The link to it will be in the description. I just want to show you first payment proof that it does pay and some of the things that I do in order to make money with this site. All right. So first and foremost, here's the payment proof right here. I got it on my phone, my email. You see, they got $2.97. You see that at the website. So you see, it is legit. They do pay. I made this in like one day. I mean, like I said, when I go on these sites, I just try to make a couple of dollars and I move to the next site. That's why a lot of my cash I used to see a low, but it's adding up because even though this is $3 cash out, I made over $50 today just because I'm doing, $2 here, $1 there, maybe 50 cents here, $3 there, just adding in all of the sites up together. So $2.97 right there. Now this is what I do when I'm on this site. You go over here, offer walls, and you go to your surveys. All right, so you go to your surveys and you have all these surveys that pop up, and it'll show you the conversion rate, the average time, and how many surveys are remaining. All right, and the main thing I pay attention to is how many surveys are remaining, because you can be in this survey right here where it sees it's not 19 completes remaining. You can be doing it and then there's like 19 people do it right in front of you, so you go through the survey and you end up getting kicked out. So that's one thing you kind of pay attention to. So this survey right here, 1170, you know what I'm saying, conversion rate is 49%, average 10 minutes. That's probably a good survey. More than likely you're going to qualify for that. Now, one thing I will tell you about the conversion rate is that a lot of people, when they're in surveys, like they'll start it or they just, they don't finish it because they got something else to do or they get disqualified. So a lot of times the conversion rates are low. The average conversion rate for, a site is 19. That's probably, regular. Anything above 20 is really, really good, honestly. So 49, 48, 22, those are really good conversions rate. You just got to, attempt them. That's all it is. And you see here, you just go through and, see how many you can complete. That's where the money is with this site. All right. So you do your surveys. Then after that, you will go up here to, let me see. Go back up to offer walls, and you can do tap research and you can do theorem reach. Those are the ones I do because if I'm ever struggling with your surveys, those two providers, tap research and theorem reach, they actually have disqualification points, so you can get something for your time. All right. And of course you can play around with the offer walls. Aggregate media is a really good one. Peanut Labs, 5 to 10 minute surveys. So there's really easy money in this site. I just want to show you a quick video on this. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. It's a site you should definitely add to your routine so you can start making money with it. All right. So again, it is legit. You see the payment proof right here. It does pay. So I highly encourage you guys to sign up with the link in the description. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts.